Everyone, I am Dipanshi from BSc Chemistry Honors third year. Today we are here to discuss the topic Werner's coordination theory. In 1893, Werner proposed a theory commonly known as Werner coordination theory, first successful attempt to explain bonding in the coordination complexes. Postulates of Werner coordination theory. In the coordination compounds, metal atoms exhibit two types of valencies, primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valency is ionizable, whereas secondary valency is non-ionizable. Primary valency gives oxidation state, secondary valency coordination number. Every metal atom has fixed number of secondary valencies. It has a fixed coordination number. The metal atom tend to satisfy both its primary valency as well as secondary valency. Primary valencies are satisfied by negative ions, whereas secondary valencies are satisfied either by negative ions or by neutral molecules. In certain cases, negative ions may satisfy both types of valencies. Primary valencies are non-directional, whereas secondary valencies are directional. Secondary valencies are always directed towards fixed position in space and leads to the definite geometry of coordination compound. Example, if a metal ion has 6 secondary valencies, these are arranged octahedrally around the central metal ion. If the metal ion has 4 secondary valencies, these are arranged in either tetrahedral or square planar arrangement around central metal ion. Secondary valencies, stereochemistry of the complex. Explanation on the basis of Werner coordination theory. Werner postulates help to explain the structures of various cobalt amines. COCl3.6NH3 complex. Cobalt has primary valency oxidation state of the 3 and secondary valency coordination number 6. Secondary valency represented by solid lines and primary valencies are shown by dotted lines. In complex, all 6 secondary valencies are occupied by 6 ammonia molecules. The Cl negative chlorine ions are bonded to cobalt by 3 primary valencies. These chloride ions are ionizable and can be precipitated on the addition of silver nitrate CONH3 6 bracket Cl3 ionization. On ionization, it gives CONH3 positive plus 3 Cl negative, which can be precipitated. Now second is COCl3.5NH3 complex. In this compound, the coordination number of cobalt remains 6, but now 5 positions are occupied by ammonia molecule and 6 position 1 of the chloride ions. The chloride ions has a dual character and it can satisfy secondary as well as primary valency. This is indicated by full line as well as dotted line. The 2 Cl negative ions satisfy the remaining 2 primary valencies of cobalt. CONH3 3Cl Cl2 CONH3 5Cl bracket Cl2. On ionization, it gives CONH3 5Cl2 positive plus 2 Cl negative can be precipitated. You can see the structure. 3Cl are denoted by dotted lines and NH3 by solid lines. Solid line secondary valency and Cl oxidation state. COCl3.4NH3 complex. In compound COCl3.4NH3, 2 chloride ions exhibit dual character of satisfying both primary and secondary valencies. It will give precipitate with silver nitrate AgNO3 corresponding only Cl negative ion. Number of ions in this case is 2. On ionization, it gives CONH3 4Cl2 positive plus Cl negative, which can be precipitated. Now fourth is COCl3.3NH3 complex. 3 chloride ions satisfy primary and secondary valency, will give precipitate with silver nitrate to only 1 Cl negative ion. Number of ions 2. On ionization, CONH3 4Cl2Cl is equal to CO cobalt NH3 Cl2 positive plus Cl negative can be precipitated. On ionization, it does not ionize because Cl NH3 NH3. It can be represented by primary valency as well as secondary valencies. COCl3.3NH3. Molecular formula. First, COCl3.6NH3 gives number of Cl negative ions 3, number of ions 4, and present structure formula you can see. COCl3.5NH3 gives 2, number of ions 3. COCl3.4NH3 1, number of ions 2. COCl3.3NH3 number of Cl negative ion precipitate 0, Number of ions 1, CONH3, 3Cl3. Now Werner coordination theory and isomerism. The secondary valency, now called coordination number, determines the stereochemistry. Werner tried to explain the geometrical arrangement of coordination group ligands around the central ion and predicted the number of isomers in different geometries. Isomers are the compounds having the same molecular formula but different structure. For a 6 coordinating compound, there are 3 most probable structures: planar, trigonal, and octahedral. Planar hexagon, trigonal prism, and octahedral. Theoretical possible structure: Ma5b 1 1 1 1, Ma4b2 3 3 2 2, Ma3b3 3 3 2 2. Werner was able to show that for complexes of coordination number 4, 2 possible structure: square, planar, tetrahedral. ये cis ये trans. When same side then cis, opposite side trans. Ma2b2 example PTNH3 2Cl2 cis and trans. Werner was able to prepare and isolate 2 geometrical isomers for the compound PTNH3 2Cl2. The complex cannot have tetrahedral structure because in the case of tetrahedral structure only one geometrical isomer would be possible since all the 4 positions are adjacent to each other in tetrahedral arrangement. However, if structure is asymmetric then it gives rise to optical isomerism. Optical isomerism of Ma2b2 is given below. Optical isomers for the compound Ma2b2, MAABB cis, MABAB trans. Optical isomers. Thank you. Have a nice day.